Hey, it's Donna from Don Joy Coaching and also co-founder of Social Media Bomb. Just here because I was listening to a Life Coach School podcast this morning, and she said something, I mean, she always says many, many profound things, but something that really spoke to me and I thought would probably speak to a lot of you as well. And I've actually taken notes, so if I'm looking down, it's because I want to get this right, because some of the things that she says it in such a way that I can't make it any better than what she's saying. So it was basically episode number 240, Lessons from Success, and it was lesson number 3, and she was talking about, and she said it has to be fun or forget it. She said stressing out over a goal, success, is a big fat no. And it made me think about all of us are trying so hard to get success that quite often we're stressing so hard about it and we feel like we're going backwards and we're just not enjoying the process. And what is the point if we're not enjoying the process? Because you know what? When we get to success where we want to be now, we're going to have a new goal. We're going to have a new thing that we want to do. And then we're not going to be we're not going to be enjoying that either. And we're going to get to the end of our life and we're never going to have enjoyed any of it because we're never going to be at our final goal. So we have to learn to enjoy the way as well. Okay, we have to enjoy doing what we're doing now. She said, if you want the success at the expense of having fun, you have missed the point. You have to love the process. You have to be in the process the person who is worthy of the goal. You can't hate your way to love. You can't stress your way to freedom. I particularly love that. You can't hate your way to love. You can't stress your way to freedom. And that's what we're trying to do. We're stressing our way to freedom. We all want this laptop lifestyle and we're stressing our way to it. And when we get to where we're going to want to be, we're not going to be there. Okay? So don't stress your way to freedom. She said it just doesn't work. And we all, when you hear that, you think, well, no, it can't possibly work. But that's what we're all doing. So she says, how can you have the best time creating abundance? Success feels amazing when you have achieved it, but success feels the best while you're achieving it. Much like Christmas, the anticipation of Christmas is often much better than Christmas itself. The whole putting the lights up and listening to the music, and when we decorate the tree and wrapping the presents and thinking about what we're going to cook, the anticipation of Christmas goes for far longer and often far better than Christmas itself. Okay, and that is what success is. The anticipation of the success of where we're going to be when we get there is just as good, if not better, than the actual success itself. So we have to remember that. She says, so many people throw their lives into building their business at the expense of their enjoyment of their families and friends. And I know I am guilty of that myself. I could be taking the dogs for a walk in the afternoon, enjoying myself and letting them enjoy themselves, but I'm so busy trying to get something finished that could be done later on that I'm putting off enjoyment now, and I'm putting my business in front and the success of my business in front of my own enjoyment. Okay, success is what you create right now to get the success. So we should be having success as we're creating the success. And she says you need to be the person right now who created the success. Okay, so it's all pretty profound. So for us to become successful, we need to be the person now that is going to be successful, and we need to be enjoying our success. So it's almost like we need to be in the future, living the success that we want to be now for us to get there. And maybe that's our path. Maybe that's the path that we need to be creating. Is in our head, we need to be creating a pathway to the person that we think we want to be, and being that person now and enjoying that stuff now. And that's really what success is all about. If we can be enjoying it now, then that is the true meaning of success. Okay, so anyway, hi everyone. Hi Ridish0525. Good to see you here. And 1228 Wellness. Love to have you on my lives. And I'll see you guys soon. I hope I've given you something to think about.